Hey, my name is Jace Billingsley. I'm an 8th grader at Buffalo Creek Middle School in Palmetto, Florida. For this year's App Challenge, I created an application to help foreign language students in American schools, ClassTranslate. The reason I created ClassTranslate is because I saw a need for it at my school. We have Ukrainian students that don't know any English, and we are relying on translation services that don't have all the features we want. So I wanted to help. I started designing ClassTranslate, and while I was still designing it, one of the translation services that we used very often failed. It wasn't working on the school's Wi-Fi. The computers, the laptops, it didn't work for us. So I launched my app. It was still in development, but it was at a working stage, and we were able to communicate with the student. This proved my point, and from there I just kept going. ClassTranslate is based off of the Google Translate API, but it adds more features and expands its use case. For example, it adds the ability to download transcripts, and this is really important for administrators and teachers, so they have a log of everything that was said, so they can look back and see if they missed something that they were supposed to tell a student. It also adds translation verification, to make sure you're actually saying what you want to say. This, paired with the clarification in local languages, lets you see what you're going to say before you tell it to them in their local language. Finally, it adds an easy user interface. It's just easy to understand and anybody can pick it up. The back end of this app was designed in Python, so if I want to change something, I can do it really quick and easy. And the front end was designed the same way with JavaScript. If I need to change something, I can do it right then and there. The main challenge I ran into during this app was deciding on the UI layout. Now, I personally am not a website designer. I do the back end to making it work. But I tried my best. I spent many hours sketching some designs, figuring out which would be the best, easiest to use, and I came up with the final layout that you'll see here. I think that this is going to be the best one and that anybody can just pick up and use. While I have used this application in classrooms at my school, the end goal for me is to make this available nationwide so that schools all over America can have the resources for foreign language students to have a better understanding of what they're being taught. Thank you for reviewing my submission and have a great day.